Oh, I'm sorry guys. Left you here overnight, man. Hopefully you guys didn't get too cold in here. What's up guys? So I accidentally left my camera here last night. The first time ever since I've had this shop, the first time I've actually left my camera here, which had my memory card in it. So that is why we had no video out yesterday. I am sorry guys, but as you would have saw yesterday, well 2 days ago now, so yeah, sorry, there was no video 2 days ago. So if you guys would have seen the previous video, we got the S14 primed up. I am back here the next day, trying to kind of get the garage back up together, clean up some stuff. But we're going to kind of dive into my S13 today. I really want to get the front bumper prepped up, so therefore we can kind of get it wrapped, and then the wrap will be complete. Hopefully maybe finish up this side of the body kit as well. This side, I mean the passenger side, I have to wrap it. Alright guys, so I know my table's a little bit messy, but today I just want to try and get some stuff done. So we have some 3 pieces here. I actually had the side skirt is over there as well, but we're going to start off with the 3 smaller ones, get them knocked out. We do have to kind of go ahead and do a little bit of filling in right quick, so as this freaking thing is literally exploding on me. What happened? Oh, it's everywhere. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's good. That's good. Come on. Come on. That worked. Alright, so 3 hours has gone by, and you guys might assume, you know, he might be dead. But actually, no. I have only wrapped 2 pieces. These guys right here, the fairing and the center bit, so that all the rear 3 pieces are complete. I just want you guys to realize how long it actually does take to wrap stuff and to prep it. At least you know how long it takes me to do it. So I just wanted to update you guys. I'm gonna have some dinner now. It's 9:30, like I said. Chill out for like 30 minutes, have a little lunch break. All right, it is now, what time is it? It is 12:05 in the morning. Yes, 3 hours later, and I've only wrapped 4 pieces. So I've been wrapping for 6 hours, and I've gotten only 4 pieces done, guys. This is so time consuming. So with this video, guys, we'll probably just get the kit complete on the car, which is awesome. It'll be a good kind of accomplishment just to say that it's all done, and that'll be awesome. Then we can move on and forward with the upcoming upgrades. Actually, I actually have the brake calipers in the shop today. If you guys would have missed this video, these are excuse me, these are really dirty, by the way. These are CTSV Brembos that I did in a little custom finish. Got obviously the Nismo badging on there. Here is the other one. Very fingerprinty, but you guys get the idea. If you guys have some Brembos, some aluminum brakes, or some nice kind of full face Brembos that you guys want maybe painted up, or just, I guess, if you guys just have brakes in general, if they're rusty though, I don't really kind of want to deal with them just because there involves a lot more work just to clean them up and prep them right. But if you guys have any kind of Brembos, aluminum brakes preferably come out way nicer just because of the finish. Like the cast iron stuff is real pitted, so you don't get that awesome finish. I can either do spray paint. These I actually painted legitimately with a gun, so if you guys are interested, hit me up. We can figure out shipping. But everything came out really good. I'm kind of pumped about it. I love this color, dude. Love this color. But yes, fiberglass kit kind of bums me out, but honestly guys, we're getting it to fit pretty good, and can't really complain about that. So of course you got the magic glove on, thumbs breaking through. Alright, day 2, which means completion day. Today we're gonna get the whole kit fitted up on the car. I also went ahead and bought our gasket, our black adhesive silicone here, some Permatex. We're gonna go ahead and use that as kind of like a seam for the kit to give it that OEM finish. I'm gonna go ahead, before we chuck this fender on, I never went ahead and painted this little fender area. So we'll go ahead and make that all pretty in black. Whereas on that side, it's super nice and clean. Obviously, if you guys will be watching the content, you know. All right, just quickly, you guys can see, got it painted black, much cleaner, sleeker, just all around better. Oh, she's been in hibernation for a wee while. What's up there, Fendi? Coming with me today. Ooh, that blue though, woo! All right, let's see, one-handed, can we do it? Can we do it? Yep, all right. I need both my hands for this one. All right. So, after some time, I had to remove my little custom splash guard, had to do some tapping and drilling, but we're all good now. Fender is mounted, so we're gonna go ahead and start with our front little Fendi piece, work our way down, and let's get this thing complete. But I'm gonna go ahead and toss you on the point of view, so hopefully that goes well. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, so about that head cam idea. Can't find my head strap thing, so there's that idea kind of out the window. I'm sorry, we will, if you guys want to see some point of view action though, like wrenching, let me know, and when I find it, I'm sure I will, it's here somewhere. But yeah, let me know and we'll kind of include more of it. All right, so first step is first, go ahead, get your ISO, give our surface a nice clean up. Next, I'm gonna take our piece and go ahead and just kind of wipe up the inside, I guess, if there's any oils or whatever. So I'm gonna take our VHB again, guys. This is 5952. Make sure she's on there. It's like, oh, hey now, whoa, 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 she tacky, she tacky. All right, and I know there's something, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but I don't know what happened, but like the fiberglass underneath got all weird. So for now, I'm gonna leave it. But I mean, we are on like Donkey Kong, and let's go ahead and move on. Time for the big boy. I'm gonna start here. Oh gosh. I've committed. I have committed. All right, here we go. Oh man, what is the deal here? Oh no. This is not going well so far. Not really too sure why. Oh yeah, alright, that one was a little bit of a pain. Real tight on that guy. But she on. One more, well, two more pieces left. Alright, so here we go. Yet again, after a bit of cleaning and tape jobbing and prepping, we're ready. Pop her through here first, and then we'll go ahead and just pop it on in the actual car. It'll give us a general sense for where we gotta go with this. Okay. Alright, now we just gotta go ahead and mount it underneath. Alright guys, it is installed. Looking pretty good, However, we're not finished. Still finishing touches left to be made, but progress so far is pretty awesome, man. This kit is definitely growing on me here. Once we get these wheels on, oh man. Now, we got one piece left, which is our center garnish. Now this one is tricky, man. I'll have to figure out what and how to mount this, because what we can do is mount it underneath, no problem with these tabs. However, the tricky part is to get this top part to seal up and sit flush with the actual bumper. So I'm gonna kind of give it a shot here, see what we can do. We'll definitely make it happen. What do you guys think? It's on, it's all complete. As you guys can see. Bada boom. Okay, I gotta make some room. There she be. What do you guys think? I'm actually quite liking it. I'm quite liking it, man. It's pretty decent. Now, fitment wise, I still have to kind of work on both of these. You know, so this one wants to line up pretty well with this outside one. Well, I guess this outside line, which I'd assume is how it lines up. we need to kind of, but the thing is, like, if I have it where it needs to be, it sticks out too far. So this is kind of its limit. So I have to figure out a way to get that to sit further in. Over here, it's a little bit further off. At one point, I thought that the skirt lines up with this line, not this line. That there's supposed to be, I thought there was supposed to be a gap here, but I think I'm wrong. But yeah, I mean, it is complete. It gives the whole car like an aggressive kind of feel to it, man. Can't wait to get the rest of it on, but yeah, I'm liking it way more than I thought I would. So now we're actually gonna go ahead, let's give this a shot. We're gonna go ahead and start on the passenger side, because you always kind of want to start on passenger side things when you're doing them for the first time, if you have the option to. So that way, if anything does go a little iffy, it's on the passenger side, you know? All right, so you guys can see we got our tape laid out. Left ourselves a nice little thin little line here. So now comes the exciting part. Where did I put it? Where did I put it? Here comes the moment of truth. Go ahead and lay our nice little bead, and we should be in good shape here. Let's give it a shot. Never done this. I think it's gonna work though. You can be messy with it because you got the tape as a border. You know what I mean? Now, get ourselves a little dab of this, and then we'll go ahead and run our finger right along. Alright, well, it's done. It's a little tricky, definitely a little bit messy. Could have been better, definitely could have gone a whole lot worse, but as you guys can see, I mean, that's generally the idea we're going for. Just a little bit of a seam seal, and it came out pretty damn well. So, I mean, that took a lot longer than I anticipated. But, you know, I feel like I say that a lot, but we obviously have a lot to do on the whole car, so I'll kind of do it little bit by little. Now quickly, there are a couple things I do want to ask you guys. If anyone out there has an NA300ZX that you guys have, I guess, that you're parting out, please hit me up. I would love to buy the axles off of you. However, if not, I can get new ones, I guess. If no one has them out there within the next day or two, I'll probably just go ahead and get some myself. And also, anyone out there, I guess, also has a 300ZX that they're parting out, Z32, obviously. If I didn't mention that for the axles, Z32, NA, not turbo. Also looking for the whole rear brake setup from a 300 that I can put on the 240. I need like the hub setup, the whole e-brake, the whole kind of shoe assembly and all that good stuff. So if you guys have that, please get a hold of me. Otherwise, I'll probably have to get new again. But man, it looks good, dude. Even with these wheels, I mean, granted, we're not keeping them, but I do like the 300 wheels, man. They got that kind of old school Porsche vibe going. I can't wait to be driving this car again. Not too long, not too long. We only have about 40 days until our huge road trip to Atlanta to Import Alliance. I will see you guys there. If you guys are going to Import Alliance, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, we gotta get this car ready. So definitely a bit to do still, little finishing touches. We'll get her done. But yes, the kit is on. That was the main goal. Let's get another look at her here. Yeah, I'm digging it. I am digging it. I'm a fan. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Here we go. Here's a nice little front shot. Yeah, I also have some other aero mods coming. Well, not coming, but I'm actually going to be making our own, my own aero parts. So should be cool. Definitely look forward to it, guys. There's a lot coming on this car, as well as the beast of a car back here. But today, for today's video, that is going to be it. It is late again. Please go ahead and grab a sticker if you guys could. Patrons, thank you guys so much for being a supporter and for being part of the VIP crew. You guys are awesome. So make sure to subscribe, guys, if you have not yet done so already. I am out of here. Have a good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.